Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Lucas. Today I'm going to be sharing my entire football shirt collection. I did this video like a year, maybe 2 years ago. Since then I've got some more and people have been asking to see what I have, so I'm going to share with you guys that. I will preface everything by saying I'm sure most of you know I support Arsenal. I'm born and raised in Canada and my grandparents are German and Belgian, so that will be why I have certain things. Yeah, let's just get into it. These are in no particular order. I'm just gonna pull off the pile. For this one, Cavalry FC, just my local team in the Canadian Premier League. Their first jersey from like 4, maybe 5 years ago, I don't remember when the league started, but this is their first one. They release new kits every year, which is kind of surprising because it's obviously not a very big league, but I haven't bought any more since then. This Arsenal one from the dark Puma ages, obviously not great, but probably one of my favorites that Puma did do. I don't even remember what year that's from, but we don't need to talk about that time. Another Puma Arsenal one. This one probably my favorite one that they did during that time. Just the gold and blue with like the diamond pattern on it. But move on from the Arsenal Puma days because that was a horrendous time. Next is this one, Scenes New York. This is a brand that they do vintage drops. They make their own merch as well, and this was a jersey they had made for, I think it was like a five-a-side tournament. And I was lucky enough to be gifted this one from Lucas, so thank you very much, I appreciate it. Printed on a Lotto blank. Very nice, very cool. Now I know I said I'm an Arsenal fan, but Philippe Coutinho, one of my favorite players, so I had to get the Aston Villa shirt, of course with Coutinho on the back. Someone on Instagram helped me secure this one a couple years ago when he first went to Villa. Obviously I haven't worn it. The tag is still on, just wanted to have this for my collection. It's like I said, love Coutinho. I have this Nigeria one from the 2018 World Cup, I believe. Brazil, I think this is 2014 World Cup, not sure. Brazil, Coutinho, had to be Coutinho. But no way I would ever get a Brazil shirt. This Germany one is a reissued one that I think Adidas did for the 2018 World Cup. They released a bunch of vintage retro stuff. So this one, number 10, Matthias on the back, very nice. I think that's one thing Adidas does exceptionally well is they go back into the archive and re-release things. Arsenal Nike days with my personal favorite player of all time, Lucas Podolski. This is, I'm not sure what year this was, maybe like 2010, 2011 or something, but my grandpa got me this, so very nice, very cool. Also the felt numbers and everything, nice touch. Next is this is the 2010 World Cup. I want to say 2010 or 2006, I don't remember, but Germany, Podolski, of course. One thing I want to do is get more Podolski jerseys. I want to get a Bayern one, a Cologne one, maybe Inter Milan, but this Germany 2014, of course, when they won the World Cup with the World Cup hero, Mario Götze on the back, has the World Cup patch, the 4 stars, all of that good stuff. This one I grabbed off eBay was it last year? I guess it would have been, wait, when? I guess it would have been like over a year ago now with this Canada jersey. It's just crazy. I love this one, number 11, I believe it's Dale Mitchell. But this is a crazy one. Canada soccer stuff I find incredibly difficult to track down. I have that, and I have a jacket that I got from Grailed, but very cool. This next one, FC Dorsum, which is like a, I don't even know what they are. They're like an Instagram thing, but I don't know if they do merch anymore. It's a Korean brand, and then they made this football shirt 2 years ago, I want to say, but on the Nike Vapor Knit with the sick frog and yeah, very cool. Next is Sampdoria, not sure the year exactly, but long sleeve with a nice collar, A6, and then on the back we have Montella. This one's nice. It's a little bit big for me, but Still like it. Another vintage one is this Ajax one. I believe this is 98. I'll double check. I think it's 98. Ajax, Umbro. Vintage Umbro kits are just different, amazing. Love that one. Another Ajax one. This one is from 2020, I believe. I got this one when I was in Amsterdam. So it's just a classic, simple Ajax kit. Another Arsenal one. I believe this was from last season. Long sleeve. Got this from the Emirates stadium store. So I love a long sleeve shirt and they're kind of hard to find. So whenever I have the chance to grab one, I typically do. Japan. I think this is from the 2018 World Cup as well. Just clean. Arsenal again. I think this was their away shirt last season. Like the bruised banana inspired with the blues and the reds. I love this one. Again, long sleeve version. It's one of my favorites in recent memory. I really like it. Probably my favorite shirt in my whole collection right here. I got this from Classic Football Shirts in London, 95, 96 I believe. Arsenal, Nike, JVC. And then we got Bergkamp on the back. It's an incredible shirt. Very lucky to have grabbed that one when I was in London. This one is 2014 World Cup, I want to say. Belgium on this Berta Sport. Horrible. The material is just disgusting. We got Hazard on the back. Thankfully, Belgium is now with Adidas and they've been making some nice shirts, but I haven't grabbed one since this one. It's okay. I don't really wear it because it's really gross to wear. This one, more of a random one, but again, one of my favorite footballers, Paulo Dybala. And then I got them this eBay. I think it was like their away shirt or their third shirt, not sure. Champions League patch. It's like camo, pink. I don't really wear this one. It's just something that I have. Another Arsenal one that I got. I think this was their first year back with Adidas. So I had to grab it. This one I have Lacazette on the back. A couple more in this box and I have a few other ones over here. But Bayern Munich, I think this is like 2010 or something like that. But Robin on the back with the gold numbers, I believe, because they won something. Probably the Bundesliga. Venezia from last season, I want to say. Kappa. Obviously Kappa and Venezia have been doing incredible things the past couple of years. Really, it's crazy because they're like, I think they're in Serie B at the moment. So kind of crazy that a team in the second division has such incredible shirts. So next is gonna be this from NSS Sports, NSS Magazine. They made this like Napoli. It says J'adore Napoli, number 3 on the back. Like vintage, big boxy inspired thing. This Ajax shirt I got last year, I think, maybe 2 years ago. But I think this was when Adidas did like an Ajax heritage collection. And I just really like this long sleeve. So I had to grab that. Another Arsenal bruised banana inspired one. I think from, I don't remember, last season. I think it was 2 seasons ago actually, but the yellow bruised banana inspired Arsenal one. Another Arsenal one, I think this is 98. Yellow O2 sponsor. Very nice. I'm still on the lookout for a Highbury, last season a Highbury jersey. This Lazio Umbro, I think it's like a training top, but I love this one. It's very nice with the Umbro all over Lazio. Yeah, not gonna talk about that club too much, but France, 2010 I think, Henri on the back, of course. Germany, I want to say 2022 World Cup. Obviously, German national team. Not doing very well right now, but hopefully they can do something in the Euros. We have this 1999 Flamengo shirt that I got in New York a few years ago. Number 11. Very cool. I like that one a lot. This 1860 Munich Nike shirt. I think it says 98 again. I'm not 100% sure, but I like this one a lot. I got lots of compliments on this one. Back when they were in the Bundesliga, I believe. And then I have this Brain Dead AS Roma collaboration they did like 3-4 years ago maybe. But very cool. Number 14 on the back. I believe this was like an esports thing. I think the esports players wore it. The real players didn't wear it, but it is what it is. And then I have this Palace shirt from a few years ago. Unfortunately, the felt numbers on the back are kind of like peeling off. I don't know. It's never happened before, but yeah, it's too bad, but I Still wear it, love that one a lot. And then the last one, probably my favorite one, is this EAFC Team of the Year shirt from this season. But the back has my name on it, which is just crazy. So shout out to EA and everyone there. Love this one. And that is my 2024 updated football shirt collection. As of right now, like I said, I still want the Highbury, last year a Highbury one. And that's really the only thing else on my wish list right now, to be honest. So thank you guys for watching, appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.